Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, what if I told you that your body has this incredible set of pre-installed programs for healing, for regeneration, and they only get activated when you stop eating? Today, we're going to go on a journey, hour by hour, to see exactly what happens inside your body when you fast.
So what really happens when we fast? You know, our bodies are just amazingly well adapted to periods without food. It turns out, fasting basically flips a switch. It activates these incredible processes that can clean out old, junked-up cells, burn fat way more efficiently, and even regenerate tissues. For thousands and thousands of years, our bodies evolved to thrive when food was scarce. We're about to unlock those ancient, powerful programs. So I want you to think of fasting not as depriving yourself, but as finding the key to activate your body's own amazing healing potential.
Right, so here's the crucial point. This modern habit we have of eating every few hours, that's a super recent invention in human history. Our biology, our actual genes, are optimized for a completely different rhythm. A rhythm of eating and then not eating.
Okay, so if our bodies are built for this, what happens when we actually do it? Let's get into the timeline, starting with the really incredible changes that happen in just the first 24 hours. Honestly, you might be surprised by just how quickly your body responds.
So your first day without food, it's really marked by three huge milestones. At 12, 18, and 24 hours, your body hits these key checkpoints that set off a whole cascade of profound biological changes.
First up, at just 12 hours in, you get this big natural surge in growth hormone. This is your body's master anti-aging and fat-burning hormone. It's crucial for healing your joints, building new proteins, and you trigger it just by not eating. It's pretty amazing. Okay, let's push it a little further. At the 18-hour mark, a truly remarkable, Nobel Prize-winning process kicks into high gear deep inside your cells.
This process is called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. And you can think of it like a deep cleaning crew for your cells. It starts recycling old, damaged proteins, you know, the sticky ones that can clog things up. And it even helps clean out things like amyloid plaques, turning all that junk into fresh amino acids that your body can actually reuse.
By 24 hours, your body starts to flip a major metabolic switch. As your stored sugar, your glycogen, runs low, you shift from burning glucose to burning fat. And this produces a much cleaner, more efficient energy source called ketones. And a really cool side effect? Ketones are a natural appetite suppressant. And the benefits just keep stacking up. Inflammation drops way down, your gut finally gets a much-needed rest, and your brain starts producing something called BDNF. You can think of it like fertilizer for your brain cells, helping it grow and repair. Your heart, by the way, loves ketones, and your body is smart enough to spare your muscle protein.
Whew, that's a lot for just one day. But what happens if you push past that 24-hour mark? Well, that's when your body moves from cleaning and optimizing to some really deep cellular regeneration.
The real magic for regeneration starts to ramp up at 48 hours. This is when you get a huge stimulation of stem cells. These are your body's master repair cells. They're like blank slates that can turn into any kind of tissue your body needs for healing and anti-aging. And if you push to 72 hours, you get an even bigger surge in stem cell output and your immune function gets enhanced. Now look, a fast this long isn't something you do every day. It's best done every once in a while to get these deeper health benefits, especially if you're new to all of this.
Stem cell regeneration? I mean, that sounds incredible. But let's be real, a 72-hour fast isn't practical for most of us. So how can we actually apply this science in the real world without going to extremes? Let's talk strategy. A really great sustainable pattern for a lot of people is the 18-6 method. It's simple. You eat all your meals within a 6-hour window each day, and then you fast for the remaining 18. This lets you tap into those amazing benefits of autophagy and growth hormone on a regular basis. Now, to avoid potential side effects like feeling dizzy, it is really crucial to support your body. Don't just do a pure water fast if you're not used to it. You want to make sure you're getting key nutrients, especially minerals, B vitamins, and definitely salt. They're all essential for feeling good while you fast.
And now you might notice something kind of weird when you start. Like you might see higher blood sugar readings in the morning even though you haven't eaten a thing. And you're probably thinking, what gives? But you know, there's actually a simple explanation.
It's a totally harmless process called the dawn phenomenon. It's just a natural cortisol spike around 8 a.m. that tells your liver, hey, release a little bit of stored sugar to get ready for the day. It's nothing to worry about, and some light morning exercise can help your body use up that extra glucose pretty easily. Okay, another common concern people have, maybe when they get blood work done, is a potential rise in LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol. So should you be worried? Not necessarily. And think of it this way, if you see a bunch of ambulances at the scene of a car accident, you don't blame the ambulances for the crash, right? Cholesterol is like those ambulances. It's the raw material your body is sending out to repair cell membranes to make hormones and produce vitamin D. It's there to heal.
So, the most important point to take away from all this is to try and reframe what fasting is. It is not about deprivation. It's not about what you're losing. It is all about activation. It's a powerful healing state that you are gaining access to, one that's hardwired into your very biology.
And this leaves us with one final, kind of provocative thought. When you look at all these powerful, built-in repair mechanisms that only turn on when we stop eating, what if our bodies are actually designed to thrive on eating far, far less frequently than we currently believe?